Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Lendmark Financial Services. Lendmark Financial Express Loan Review, a deep dive into my usage and experience. In this video, we'll take a closer look at Lendmark Financial's Express Loan Service, exploring its key features, who it's best suited for, and what the overall user experience is like. Lendmark Financial focuses on providing personal loans designed to address a range of financial needs, including debt consolidation, home improvements, unexpected expenses, and even auto financing. Their Express Loan Service is specifically geared towards those requiring swift access to funds, boasting a streamlined application process and competitive interest rates for qualified borrowers. Loan amounts generally fall between $500 and $25,000, depending on individual qualifications and the specific loan type. The application process is designed for user convenience and can be initiated online or by visiting a local branch. Lendmark Financial emphasizes personalized service, meaning you can anticipate direct interaction with a loan officer who will guide you through each step. They take a holistic approach to credit evaluation, considering your entire financial picture, not just your credit score. This makes them a potential option for borrowers with fair credit histories. A particularly noteworthy feature is their flexible repayment structure. Lendmark provides repayment plans customized to individual budgets, with loan terms spanning from 12 to 60 months. This allows borrowers to select a plan that aligns with their financial capabilities. Furthermore, there are no prepayment penalties, providing the opportunity to save on interest by settling the loan ahead of schedule. Lendmark Financial is a suitable option for individuals seeking a dependable lender for medium-sized personal loans, especially those who appreciate the personalized touch of in-person service. However, it's important to acknowledge that their interest rates may be higher than those offered by traditional banks or credit unions, particularly for borrowers with lower credit scores. To summarize, Lendmark Financial's Express Loan Service presents a quick and accessible borrowing solution for those needing immediate funds. With adaptable repayment terms, personalized support, and reasonably competitive loan options, it's a viable choice for individuals searching for a reliable financial partner. For more details or to start your application, be sure to check out the links provided in the description below.